area is full of rentals. This is East Orange, New Jersey. Good area to get some rentals and some subsidy tenants or even cash paying tenants. So I like coming into these areas and revitalizing them. As you can see across the street, they have some new construction stuff that went up probably, I would say, maybe 15 years ago. Those properties were built. And it's mixed with a couple of other different types of properties. My guys are helping me reach that goal. This is wet. My guys are helping me reach that goal to try to get to 20 units. 20 units done. Just cemented the walkway. Working on trying to get some stuff on the exterior done. Seeing how far we got on the interior. So probably next week we'll start doing more work on the exterior. Just trying to wrap up everything inside 100%, get our final inspection. So we'll see how far these guys got. There's no light on this floor, so no power here yet. Gotta go take a look at the second floor. Try to get a look. Try to get a looky. All right, so you pop the doors in. Treads. Handrail here. Hello? Yeah. Oh, how are you? Chuck, what's up? How come we don't have no power on the first floor? What happened? How come we don't have no power on the first floor? So just showing it at the property and basically, so what happened?
The mains will be on. I didn't turn the mains on yet.
Oh, the mains? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, that's what's up. All right. Got the electrician here working today, putting all the breakers, get everything ready for final inspection. There's no power in the house. He's saying the mains are not on. See the guys installed the vanity. Gotta do the vanity light. So we still got some stuff to go here. We're pushing. We're trying to get 20 units done by December. So I got the cabinets in, which is great. HVAC guy should be here next week. This is 3 apartments here. HVAC guy. I said you put the unit in. Awesome. So these guys gotta frame this now. Put the louver door in. We kind of turned this bedroom closet into where the HVAC is gonna go. Then we're just gonna frame a wall, put a louver door so the machine can breathe. Put a shelf in the pool so this bedroom can have a closet. But this is pretty cool. This is 3 bedrooms on the first floor, 3 bedrooms on the second floor. This is the largest bedroom here. These guys are almost done. Now, once they finish with all the moldings, which look like they're done, my electrician get done with all the smoke alarms and everything, then I can actually have the painter come back, or the spackle guy come back and touch everything up, and then the painter guy come and get everything done. Let's check out the 3rd floor. See how far these guys got. Oh, okay, that's why the bill was so high. I was like, what's going on? I was like, that was crazy.
Yeah, no, I have the baseboard.
Yeah, you got the baseboard and everything, huh? They have the what?
The 3 small.
Okay. All right, that's what's up.
But I have all the smokes, everything.
Okay. Awesome. Good to see. So I'm gonna call tomorrow for final inspection.
I can call, it's not a big deal.
Okay.
I'll call.
I'll let you know the day.
If you want to call, you can call. Don't matter to me.
All right, I'll be up before you. Trust me. So the electrician is here, knocking this stuff out. Did Gabriel leave?
Yeah, you just left about half an hour.
All right, no problem. We gotta get him light in the basement.
That's where we're going next.
All right. So electrician is here, trying to get ready for final inspection. Try to get that scheduled next week. And then these guys, look like they're getting close, 20 units. 20 more units ready before Thanksgiving or by Thanksgiving. That's the goal. We gotta do it. So So gotta get the exterior done. So probably we'll spend the rest of this week trying to max out getting everything done that we have to do on the inside. And then the following week we'll come out, tighten everything up on the outside, do all little touch-ups, then basically get the appliance in, make sure we get our final inspections, and then try to get these units rented. So just want to give you guys a quick tour, keep you updated. Enjoy your weekend. See you guys at the next property.